We'll guide you through how to use CapCut with some cool tips and tricks to enhance your video editing experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start by creating a new project. Once inside, you'll notice the intuitive timeline at the bottom, where you can drag and drop your video clips. To enhance your video, try using the speed feature. Simply select a clip, then go to the speed tab on the right side. Here, you can adjust the speed to make your video play faster or slower. This is great for creating dramatic effects or time lapses. Next, explore the filters and effects. Click on the Effects tab at the top, where you can apply a variety of visual effects to your clips. Just drag the effect onto the clip in your timeline to see the changes instantly. Remember, you can adjust the intensity of these effects to get just the right look. Another great trick is to use the keyframe feature for smooth transitions. Select your clip, click on the keyframe icon above the timeline, and then set keyframes at different points to animate changes in position, scale, or opacity. This adds a professional touch to your videos. For audio, go to the Audio tab to add background music or sound effects from CapCut's library. You can adjust the volume levels or even fade in and out for a polished finish. Lastly, don't forget to use text overlays to highlight important points or add subtitles. Click on the Text tab, choose your style, and simply drag it onto the timeline. Customize the font, size, and color to match your video's theme. With these tips, you'll be editing like a pro in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.